แล้วสามารถ
How many cups?
2
Good boy.
Okay.
It's more difficult for him to speak clearly. He gets anxiety over simple things that you and I take for granted on a day-to-day basis.
Find word mug and put it on number 5. I'll give Rufy treats. Very good. Now stick it to number 5. Should I give Rufy a treat?
Yes.
He's been a godsend to us. It's wonderful having him in the family.
So much.
Did you just say you love him so much?
Yes.
Throwing of the ball, throwing it in the right direction instead of behind him. We're going to aim in front because we want Rufy to run forward, not backwards. If I could give Ruth a slice of apple and then Luke might try the slice of apple. Playing with other children even, the other children will approach him now rather than kind of looking at him a little sideways.